If Chrome is acting a little weird, or you've turned on an experimental setting that you now want to switch off, this video is going to show you exactly how to disable flags in Chrome, step by step. This is a super quick fix, and it can help you reverse changes that may be causing browser issues, performance problems, or features you no longer want enabled. And before we begin, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, click the address bar at the top and type chrome://flags. Then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to Chrome's experimental features page, where Google keeps all of the hidden browser flags. Now you'll see a long list of flags on the screen. These are advanced settings, and some of them can affect how Chrome looks or behaves. To turn off a specific flag, you need to locate the one you want to disable. If you're not sure where it is, you can use the search box at the top of the page to find it faster. Here's a helpful tip. Enabled flags usually appear at the very top of the list, and they're marked with a blue dot. So if you recently turned something on, that's the easiest place to look first. Once you find the flag you want, look at the drop-down menu on the right side of it. Click that drop-down menu and change the setting to Disabled. If you want Chrome to go back to its original behavior, you can also choose Default instead. Disabled will turn the feature off completely, while Default will restore Chrome's standard setting. After you've changed the flag, Chrome will usually show a blue Relaunch button at the bottom of the page. This is important because the browser needs to restart before the change actually takes effect. Click Relaunch, and Chrome will close and reopen automatically. Once Chrome starts back up, the flag you selected will be disabled, and the new setting should now be applied. If you were troubleshooting an issue, this is a great way to test whether that experimental feature was causing the problem. Just remember, Chrome flags are experimental for a reason. If you ever need to change one again later, simply return to chrome://flags, find the same option, and switch it back to default or enabled depending on what you need. And that's it. You now know how to disable flags in Chrome quickly and safely. If this guide helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more browser and software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.